In my last video, which I talked about HTML input tag element, two of my viewers contacted me and they were asking me if they can be able to do coding without having a laptop, and I'm going to use this video to answer those questions once and for all. But before we get there, if you are coming across this video today for the first time, please do well to give it a thumbs up for more updates. With that aside, let's go straight to business. So the answer is yes. You can be able to become a front-end web developer just with your phone alone. So you start with your phone, and by the time you get to back end, at least at that time will be able to have the resources to get a laptop. You can become a front-end web developer with just your smartphone, being it an Android or an iPhone. If you have limited resources, the only advantage a laptop owner has over you is that if you are using a laptop, it is more faster and it is more comfortable. Because if you are using a small phone or a smartphone, switching from one window to another or switching from one file to another will be overwhelming. So if you are using a laptop, you can divide your screen, and at the other side of your screen, you can be looking at your code, and at the other side of your screen, you can be looking at the live website, how things are appearing on the live website. With that aside, let's go straight to business.
Okay, first of all, grab your phone and go straight to your Google Play Store. Once you get it, click on it, open and type something like Code Studio, and then click this one that has a curly bracket. Once it has installed, then click on open. For me, it has already shown open because I have already downloaded it. So it will open, and go straight and tap the plus button there and choose the second option, which says files, and then name it index.html or anything you want to name it .html. Then it will be created. Go to the same place, click the plus button, choose the second option which says file again, and name it index.css this time around, and hit create. So your files will be created. After that, go and click on the first one that say index.html, and the file will open where you will start writing your code. So go ahead and then create it.
So all other rules and syntax of HTML that I teach you before have applied here, including the HTML structure. So I'm going to forward this message and then write the HTML structure, and then we will meet at the other end of the video.
So now you can go ahead and do the setup. If you don't know how to do the setup, I have already created another video which shows you how to create the setup, and I title it HTML structure. So go ahead, set up the document type, the HTML, the head, the meta chassis, the meta name, the title, the head, the body element, and once you finish, you are done. You are ready to start writing your code. So for me, my first code is h1 tag. Write it and then send it. Then it will take you to a live website. This is what we just wrote in our index.html. So in our CSS, we haven't written any code there. So you can go to your index.html and then link your CSS so that you can start styling it based on your own expectation. So this is how you use code editor. I hope this video is very clear enough.
If you have watched this video to this point, it therefore means that you are a tech enthusiast, and I will urge you to please give it a thumbs up for more updates. See you in my next video.